next part. I think it's part 6. I have to check. It's Thursday, early evening, February 24th, 2022. And I did more work on the portrait again today. And I believe it's done. So on to the next phase, which will be, I'm probably going to just go with extemporaneous, like emotively driven outline sketches of however many allegorical sea monsters. Maybe one or two here. Could have one big one here. Kind of swooping down. Allegorical gun laden. Alright, we continued. How are we doing, budgies? Everybody okay? Good. Almost space time. We got about 45 minutes till space time, okay? Yes, indeed. Alright. There you have it for now. To be continued.